I know what you may be thinking about. Bone for Leash, but let me show you something really quick. Look at this. Leash right now is on sale, in my opinion, at $12.94. And Bone's at $3.17 at the recording of this video. In my opinion, I earn Bone rewards every day. A lot of us do, if we're staking, burying, or digging and wolfing. But we don't earn any Leash, and Leash is $12.94. So I'm thinking, let's make another move for Bone for Leash. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, I've got 800 tokens that I unburied and only spend $6, actually $6 for the fees. That's not bad. I'm okay with that because I'm thinking long term. I'm gonna move some of my Bone to get the Leash, probably 2 leashes. So let me go ahead and do this right now. So if I go here and look to swap, I'm going to swap my Bone for Leash. Look at the Bone right now, and I'm doing it for Leash because Leash is on sale, and I feel like Leash got as high as what, 8,000 all-time high, and it's only that much. So I just think it's a good deal. I think it's a really good deal. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to swap all that for that 800 for basically 2 Leash. And let me go ahead and make that transaction. Confirm. I'm going to look on my phone, check my phone data, confirm on my phone. And I'm excited about that. Get the PIN number in here and go with the fees. So fees wasn't that much at all. And I'm woofing it, and I'm excited about that. Why did I make this move again? One is because Leash is on sale. That's one. 2 is because I've already made a profit a little bit from my Bone because I got in under $3. 3, I feel like, we do very blessed to earn Bone rewards every day. So if I go back and check my woofing area, I can check to see how much Bones I currently have at this time. 98 is getting accumulated right now. So I'm going to wait for this to get to probably 150, and then I'm going to take this out and I'm going to move it over to my Bone buried area, and I'm going to bury those Bones. But the thing about it, like I was saying before, we don't necessarily earn Leash rewards on the Shibaswap platform, at least not right now. We're only earning Bone and other assets, like a little bit of Ethereum, some other stuff, but not Leash, not right now. And Leash, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated pieces in this whole ecosystem. It's not being talked about a lot, mainly because of the price. I don't know. It probably is because of the price, but I decided to go ahead and get this, and I'm excited to do this. So right now, it went through, and I'm going to stake that whole thing 100%. I'm going to stake all that, and that should be equal up to 5 leashes. Should be 5 leashes. Confirm. See if I have enough. Only $6. I think it's $6 for this. $6. Oh, not bad. $6 to stake the Leash. And then what I can do is, when I'm staking Leash, I'm earning Bone. Ain't that crazy? So then now, this Leash, I'm going back to Bone. That was quick. And we got exactly 5. That was our goal, was to get 5 leashes. So we got 5 Leash, and we're burying those Bones. We have some Bones that's already being accumulated during the actual rewards. We're going to wait for another couple of weeks to get that out. So 5 Leash, recap. We still have 1646 Bone. We're going to make that up for that Bone. Remember, we've had 215 unwoofable. So add that in there. So that's really good. I'm excited about that. Let me go back to the Shiba. Shiba, we have still 2 billion Shiba still being staked. And remember, unwoofable Bone, we have 90. That will be available in January. So we have that as well. And one more area. This is why I make this move, because we're already accumulating Bones all the time. Why not make that move to get some Leash? And right here, we got 385 unwoofable. So if you think about it, just being unwoof, we have 385, 200, and about another 90. That's about 685, 675 just on Wolf. Just on Wolf. Remember, we took 800 of our buried bone and we used it towards the Leash. We swapped it for Leash. But we still have about good 600 to 700, maybe more than that, that's unwolfed that I'm going to be access to in January. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not really losing anything in my opinion. The only thing I feel like I'm losing would be nothing. Nothing. Because you're thinking about the fees, but no, I already budgeted the fees. I treat fees like a bill. I treat fees like a bill, like paying a cell phone bill, like the insurance bill, like the light bill, and then you got the fee bill. I treat it like a fee bill, so I don't really add it into any of this because I treat it like a bill. Change my mindset a little bit. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm excited. 5 leashes. Not necessarily telling you to do that. I'm just showing you what's possible. I'm thinking about you when I'm doing this. That's why I wanted to do this. I wanted just to show you that Leash is a big deal. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and make some moves. But your best move may not be nothing at all. Go Leash, go Shiba, go Bone. I'll see you in the next video.